What is meant by sequence? In the field of electrical engineering, we often encounter the concepts of positive sequence and negative sequence. What exactly do these two concepts refer to? The reason we call it alternating current is because alternating current involves the magnitude and direction of current, voltage, and electromotive force changing periodically over time. Alternating current is usually generated by an alternator using the principle of electromagnetic induction. An alternator mainly consists of two parts. One is the magnet that generates the magnetic field, and the other is the electrical output, which generally consists of many coils wound around an iron core. Just like in our diagram, if there is only one rectangular coil cutting the magnetic flux lines, the electricity generated is single phase. If three rectangular coils simultaneously cut the magnetic flux lines, the electricity generated is three-phase. The concept of phase mentioned here is in relation to three-phase alternating current. In our daily lives and in medium to large factories, the large and medium-sized motors often use three-phase electricity. The term phase sequence refers to the order of the phases in three-phase alternating current, which is the sequence in which the three phases reach their maximum values. We generally use UVW to represent this. When determining the phase sequence, we can first define any one of the phases as the U phase. Among the other two phases, the one that lags 120 degrees behind the U phase is the V1 phase, which is the lagging phase. In the diagram, we see that the angles of the UVW three phases each add up to 120 degrees, and the three phases are arranged in a clockwise manner. This clockwise phase sequence arrangement is called the positive phase sequence, or simply positive sequence. If the UVW three phases are arranged in a counterclockwise sequence, it is called the reverse phase sequence, or simply reverse sequence. Typically, on the power bus, the three phases UVW are represented by the colors yellow, green, and red, respectively. What is the practical use of phase sequence? If the three-phase power is in positive sequence, the three-phase motor rotates in the forward direction. When the three phases are in reverse sequence, the motor will rotate in the opposite direction, meaning the motor will reverse. If the motor is running in reverse, how do we adjust the sequence? The method for adjustment is very simple. We just need to swap any two phases to change the sequence of the three-phase power.